Hello guys, I want to welcome to this my channel. My name is AfrigGold Richard Olusegun, aka Olu Richard. I want to tell you, if you're looking for a way to make money online and you're yet to choose AfricGold, then you are missing. But before I continue this video, quickly go below this video and click subscribe so that anytime I'm dropping any valuable video like this, you can be the first person to get it. Then go below it and click, even share with your friend. Now, let me tell you, I want to share with you how you can start making money with AfricGold. And this is pertaining how you can start sharing your trend post, and this is very essential because it's one of the way you can make money with AfricGold. You can go to other videos that are on my channel so that you can pick how you can start mining, or a complete video of all what you can start doing to make money with AfricGold. But here I want to share with you how you can share your trend post and you receive money. Now let us go. I want to sign into my dashboard. Yeah, this is my dashboard. You can see that I've earned up to 128 at this time that I'm making this record, and my money is 117, which is money. It keeps on pulse robust. That is the reason why you don't need to be panic, or you don't need to for the poverty at this time. You just have every way to kill it off your life, and one of the way you can do that is by registering with AfricGold. Now, to share the trend posts, you go to this dashboard. As I always say, go to this third three line and you click on it. Once you're able to click on it, go to the share and earn. You click on it and you click trend post. Yes, it has entered into the trend post. You could see that this is as at this time that I'm recording, this is the active trend post, this first one, which is 5th of January. Onto this date that I'm making this video is almost like less than 24 hours, which means even I can share it and earn from it. Before I go there, I want us to check my last on my dashboard, my earning. At my last share, I was able to have, you can see it here, I was able to earn 11,000. Now, let us go. 11,000, that is my share post. Now I want to go and share the new one. On this note, you can, when you click on it, see, you click read more. Read more here. You click on it, it will take you to the next page. This is the page you want to share with other social media users, of your friends, your colleagues, even other WhatsApp groups or Facebook. You can see this below here. You can read it yourself. You see that they normally write a valuable content that you can share with people and make them to join you. And mind you, I will add a little bit content to it that can give you more traffic, even directly to yourself, because this is done and make it more a content that is valuable for you. Then you go to this below and you will see here where you can share the social media table logo that you can share with. And now you want to share. You click, first of all, you click on any of the logo, any of the page that you want to share with, either on Telegram, which is the first one, WhatsApp, and Facebook. Those are the three pages or the three social media you can share with. And you click on, I first click on WhatsApp because I'm having more than one WhatsApp, Telegram page rather. You see, it was able to give to me, and I click this number one. On this one, I love it to be picking it. That my first one. It has shared with me already, and I go back because it automatically share, and that is why I love that of Telegram, and even that, especially that Telegram I choose. Then now come to the to WhatsApp. You click on it, and these are the pages that I'm having on WhatsApp. I will try to choose them. I always choose my page and some other pages that I think WhatsApp group I think necessary to share with. Once I was able to do that, once I was able to do that, share. I'm still looking for a good page that I can share with. Then I click go. At this point, this is what I said to you, that it makes it more decent because you can have some content to read and share with them. Share your link, your WhatsApp link together with this link you want to share, so that anytime that people who are reading this, they can still join you direct, or you put your number directly. I can just give like this. Best, sorry, best. Let me just put that 1,000 have been added for the trend post I have. If with this, The minimum they can pay out on the African trend post is 10,000. Definitely, if there will be any payouts now, I'm eligible to collect this money. My friend, this is how you can share your trend post and make money. This is additional money. Just check my next video while I share other valuable things with AfriGold. Thank you for joining me. Please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and at the same time, you click share and like so that anytime I'm dropping a valuable video like this, you can get it directly. Even you will be one of those that first get my video. Thank you and God bless you. Remain blessed.